Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, or mainly a review. So I often get asked about recommendations, and I really do like that you ask me these things instead of just buying something that you're unhappy with. And I buy a lot of things that I don't need just to try them out. And this is a perfect example of that. So the other day I got asked from a girl that had experience with the Sony MDR5, I think they're called. Yeah, the Sony headphones. And they wouldn't charge anymore, so she wanted something new and asked me what kind of headphones I recommended. And it's JBL. I forgot the name, Hub something. I have a video about them, and I really like them. They are my main go-to headphones. But the other day, I had a handyman here making a lot of noises. And the noise canceling in these there are more or less no noise canceling at all. So I went to my Sudio E3. These are the headphones that I use to have noise canceling. And I'm happy with them. And another person asked me also about headphones, and I once again recommended these. And they say that they were too expensive. These are about, say, 250 euro here in Sweden. So once again, I recommended the Sudio E3. They are under 120 euro. I don't count for, yeah, so let's just say 120 euro. And when I got reminded how much I liked them, I got curious because they are really price-worthy. And I do have a discount code for you that I always forget. I think it's SirPierre15 or SirPierre10 or something. I will post it, which make them even cheaper. And everybody that have bought Sudio headphones after my recommendations are happy with them. So I got curious. How good are the cheap ones? And the cheapest one that are 60 euro, I just assumed that they were too cheap for me to be sort of happy with when I'm used to much more expensive headphones. So I wanted to try the Sudio N2 Pro that are, did I say that the others were 60 euro? Then these are 70 or 80 euros. I think 80 euro. And so these are the Pro version of the N2. So this is what I'm going to try now and see what I think about them. I have already forgotten if they do have, yeah, they do have active noise cancellation. All right. So I'm going to compare the Sudio N2 Pro with the Sudio E3 and sort of having these, no, that would be wrong because, as I said, 250 euro and 80 euro, no. But 120 euro and 80 euro. These are the two headphones that I'm going to use now this week and to compare. And I don't think there is much to see inside it, but I can show you just for fun. So let's see what's in the box. Probably same as always. Headphones case. Maybe different size earplugs. I don't think they have a charger. So headphones, kind of cool color actually. I don't remember the name of the color, but I would call them green, I think. Nice color. And then instruction. Yeah, so that's it. And they are USB-C, so of course you already have a charger to them. I really do like the color. Feels absolutely cheaper than the E3. more plastic. So nah, no complaints. I use that they feel cheaper. Here we have the sizing of them. This will not stand up, but that doesn't care. Yeah. And the N2 are not plugged in, they're earbuds. These are ear plugs, and I do prefer earbuds. That's why I was looking at the N2. But they do not have noise cancelling, and the N2 Pro does, and noise cancelling is actually important to me. So let's try them out for a couple of days and get back to you. Sorry, I was wrong. The cable was hitting right here. So the charging cable and the different size earbuds are hidden in this spot. This is my standard test to sit by the computer, and I have my AC on. And for that test, the noise cancelling absolutely works. Way better than the JBLs. And the JBL have more or less no noise cancelling. It's so bad, so I say that it has no noise cancelling. But this works for me. Yeah, the AC isn't that loud maybe, but that is my test. And I want to say that I sort of miss the Sudio app because they stopped having that a couple of headphones ago. So now everything is with touch panels, and yeah, you learn quickly, but for me, when trying out, I like to have the app. And that's one of the reasons why I like JBL headphones, because I have everything on the case. I have the menu on the case. Or not everything, but most of the things of the app I have on the case. But they sound good, noise cancelling is good enough. I'm positive to them. So let's keep on trying. And one thing that I don't like about the touch panels, it only says noise cancelling, and when it turns off, it's used a beep. I would like it if the headphones would say noise cancelling on and noise cancelling off. When trying out at least. And you're supposed to hold in the right one for 2 seconds for noise cancelling on and off, but if you hold it in 3 seconds, you will turn off the headphones instead. So yeah, I would prefer the app. And still about the noise cancelling, if you don't have music on, the noise difference is minor with on and off. So you need to have music playing, you need to have the headphones working, so the noise cancelling is working. Just without music on and off, there's a minor difference. Some different, yes, but minor. Another thing that might be too much to expect from cheap headphones, but I can't have them connected to two devices. So normally when I sit by the computer and I use headphones to kill the noise from the AC, I listen to both, or I use them to both the phone and the computer at the same time. So I listen to them by the computer, and when I get a phone call, I want to automatically be able to answer in my headphones that I'm already wearing. But it seems like they can only be connected to one device at a time. Maybe too much to ask for cheap headphones, but no, worth noticing.
So I was, or I am sort of happy with them. I have to keep in mind about the price. So 80 euro, and with my discount code SERPCHAT15, you get 15% off. So with that in mind, they are very good. I'm happy with the bass. They have impressive bass. Uh, they are not uncomfortable, so I like having them in. And I made a couple of phone calls, so that's why I'm using this app now, so you can hear me through the mic on these. So they have four microphones, and I think that that is for the noise canceling working. But they also have something about clear voice, and When I call people, they don't complain until I ask. So when I ask about the sound and that I say that I'm reviewing new headphones, then they say that they don't hear me as clearly as they usually do, and that there is some noise. It sounds like the noise canceling is working on the mic. So no real complaints until I ask. But in general, I'm happy with them. I will absolutely recommend them, mainly because of the price and that they have a nice bass. I like that, and the noise cancelling is good enough. Uh, the only thing now is that it's up to you to decide if the mic is good enough or not. But $80 and with by 15%, I'm guessing you're down to $70, 70 euros, same thing. If you have any questions, let me know. I think this will be it for this review, and I will do my best to answer them. And please subscribe. See you in the next video.